Okay, today in GeoGebra, I'm going to walk you through finding the centroid, circumcenter, incenter, and orthocenter of a triangle. So first thing I want you to do is open GeoGebra and turn off the axis. So we're going to have a blank, nice screen for geometry. Then we're going to throw in a triangle. So just throw any 3 points in you want and connect it to finish it, and now you have a triangle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find the centroid, which is the intersection of the medians. So we need to find the medians. Okay. And medians, as you sure know, are lines from the vertices of the triangle to the midpoint on the opposite side. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the midpoint on the opposite side. I'll just click on the midpoint tool and I'll click on each side. Now D, E, F have been created, and those are the midpoints of the three sides of the triangle. Next thing I'm going to do is connect the vertices and those midpoints with segments. So just connect the 2 points, connect 2 points, and the third vertice and the midpoint on the opposite side. Okay, you notice, conveniently enough, they have all intersected in that same spot, and that point is called the centroid, where they all intersect. So let's highlight that point. Let's find that point by choosing intersect two objects. And we'll choose line 1, line 2, and you can see G has been created. G is the centroid. It'd be nice to label that the centroid, and to do that you can just click on G, and if you right click object properties, you'll have an option for name. I'm going to call it the centroid. Okay. And I'll close it. Notice what happens if I move this triangle. Okay. The centroid always right in the center of the circle. One of the neat things about the centroid is it's a center of balance of a figure. So you can imagine if that figure, that triangle was cut out and you found that centroid, you could balance the triangle on a point right there. So if you put a little pin right there, that's the center of the figure. Okay, we have a lot of lines. We're going to add a lot more, so it'd be nice if we hid those. To do that, we're going to click on the dynamic features of check box to show hide object, and I'm just going to throw it on here. And my median is going to be, my caption is going to be the centroid. Okay. So, and the objects that I want to add to it, let me just keep a good eye out, are going to be those line segments we just made. We got a lot to hide actually. Let's hide segment DC. Let's hide segment AF. So all those medians I'm going to hide. BE. I'm even going to hide the centroid. Point centroid. And it might be nice to also hide the midpoints. And I can then now have a really clean drawing. So I'm going to apply that. And there it is. And notice what happens. Oh, I got my regular triangle. Oh, there I got my centroid. So that's how we create the centroid.